No.
That lady looks so real.
What?
I thought that was a real person at first. And I was like, oh, look, she's smiling. That's not a real person. Okay, this looks good. This looks like a duck doner kebab, is what I would say, or like a duck burrito. I think it has lettuce, duck, sauce, and then whatever that long thing is. I'm not really sure. Let's try it out.
First Beijing duck.
Pretty good. It's a good snack. The sauce is good on it. I don't know how much duck I got in that bite. It was more like lettuce. I think there's a cucumber in there too. Oh, lots of duck. It's like crispy. It's almost like bacon.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Wait, that's really good.
The sauce tastes a little like peanutty, maybe?
Oh yeah, yeah, it might be peanut, like peanut sauce with the duck. I still don't know what that red thing is. It's good though. You like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Would you rate it out of 10?
I'd say a 9.
9. That's pretty high.
What'd you say?
I'd say 8 out of 10. I think
Yeah,
it's pretty good.
It's like, I would eat it again. I'm gonna eat all of this one. I got a tea sample. I think she said it's watermelon. That's good. That's sweet. It's like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. We found these cute little things in the egg cartons that we're gonna try. We think it's like maybe pancakes. Thankfully, everyone has been so patient whenever we have had payment issues like that, because we have had payment issues like that, but everyone has been patient and helped us or showed us how to do it on the app, which we are very grateful for.
Yeah.
Nice.
Look, they look so cute. Their little faces. Hot.
Is it chestnutty?
It's like a waffle egg chestnut.
Waffle egg chestnut.
There's
All right.
there's no egg. It's just
Okay.
egg shaped, but it's a waffle egg chestnut.
Oh, it's like a little bit like doughier inside than I expected.
Yeah, it's like the outside is crunchy and the inside is.
Is that like a whole
little
chestnut on the inside?
I don't think so.
Oh, you think it's just like filling?
Yeah, I think it's filling.
Oh.
I don't know. You could try it. I didn't get a whole chestnut.
Oh. What were you eating?
I think the filling, unless it is a whole chestnut.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's just filling. I thought you meant you didn't eat any of that part.
Oh no, I did. You're gonna be able to eat 6 eggs.
No. I'm
Good
gonna eat like one.
Good thing they give us a carton so we can take it home
Yeah, it's like
for later.
Very large serving.
So I'm gonna try this sample. I don't have any idea what it is, but a lot of people are getting it, so we're just gonna go for it.
好的，稍等一下，小朋友，小朋友喝可能会有点凉哦，因为它这是冰沙的。Hello.
Hello. What is this?
Mango yogurt.
Yogurt.
Ice.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. So it's some sort of yogurt ice cream, I think. Or like yogurt ice. Test it out. It's not coming out. It's I think it's like mango yogurt, mango frozen yogurt. That's the word I was looking for. I think that's what it is.
That was really good.
Pretty good, right? Hey, tea. What do you think? You're pondering.
Yeah, it looks good.
The first.
Do you want fruit tea?
Fruit tea. I don't know what we got. It said 19, and then it said our total is
Whatever we got,
1670.
it'll be good.
Was there a number on the receipt?
I'm just gonna wait until they tell me the time.
Yeah.
All right.
Did you get it?
Got it. This is what we wanted, so
Yeah.
I think it was a success.
Yeah.
I mean, I think anything would have been good. Not sure what flavor this is, but it looks good. Oh,
Like
yeah,
a berry?
it's really
Is it good? Wait, what is that? It's like blue? I don't know if it's like blueberry? Like blueberry? Strawberry?
I think the translation says succulent bayberry with a degradable straw.
Oh, bayberry. What's bayberry?
I don't know. I don't know if the translation is correct though. 10 out of 10 for
It's
me.
it's like a fruity boba. Yeah, I agree.
10 out of 10.
That one's
This
10
is
out
so
of 10.
good. Nice and
Definitely
cute little napkins.
It's the little things.
Oh,
And meat
mini.
bun coming up next. Hello. Hello. Got the door. That's funny. Ni hao. One.
Alright.
I don't know if we're saying that right, so we've either just been saying thank you to everyone correctly, or we're just like making it up.
We're
but
trying.
We're trying.
I'm trying really hard. Alright, one meat pie.
All right, so we got the doornail meat bun,
Do you want me to hold that?
and yeah, you can hold it.
Oh, I'm at the camera, but...
Oh, doornail meat bun. Yeah, hold it. So I've heard a story about this. I'm trying not to spill it. Heard a story about this. Apparently, the empress in the Qing dynasty. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Anyways, the empress in the Qing dynasty had every night she would have 108 dishes. And so one night she got tired of her 108 dishes and she asked the chef to make her something new. And he made her this, essentially. And she tried it and she liked it so much that she told her servants, she said, bring the chef out here so I can thank him. And so they brought the chef out and she thanked him and asked him what this dish was called. And he said, he hesitated because he didn't really have a name for it, and he looked around, and the first thing he saw that looked like this was a doornail. And so this is now called a doornail meat bun because it kind of looks like right here, actually, the doornails.
Hopefully our comments don't get filled that is not accurate at all.
I don't know. Apparently, it's like a tale that was told through the time, so I might have like misconstrued it a little bit.
We can't confirm the accuracy of anything. We're just here for entertaining stories.
Yeah, we're just here for fun. All right, we'll try this. That one is good. It's like take a biscuit and fill it with meat. I don't even know if this is burger meat. It might be pork. Fill it with meat. And it's got it locks all the juices in. And the juices just soak into the bun.
No, this is good. I'm really picky about meat also and like how it looks and tastes and stuff, but
That one's good.
yeah.
And you can see the lady right behind you making it. It's pretty cool. What do you give it out of 10?
9?
9. That's what I said. That's what I think. 9 out of 10.
Yeah, everything has been good. And I've got my...
Got your tea. That tea is so good.
Oh,
What? What is that?
is it like a berry?
No, it's clear. Can you bite it?
It's like a jelly.
It's a jelly?
Should I eat it?
Yeah, I guess. Did we get jelly in there? I didn't taste any.
I don't know. Do I want to eat it?
Yes, did you chew it up? Like it's not like ice or something, is it? Oh.
Okay.
It's like when you get Whoa, what was
I
that?
swallowed it.
I hope it wasn't anything bad. I should swallow it like that.
I was scared. I think it was just a little clear jelly.
Yeah, I might have got a surprise one in there.
Yeah. This street is in the hutong area of Beijing, which is a residential area where there's houses around the outside and then a courtyard in the middle. We also learned that a lot of the hutongs do not have bathrooms in the houses, and there is like a shared communal bathroom near each area of the hutongs, and a lot of them have been destroyed recently for, I guess, more modern buildings, but there are still areas where it is traditional hutongs in Beijing. Okay, we are ending our street food with the traditional dessert of churros.
I don't know how traditional that actually is, but
Not at all.
I'm not sure where the churro is from. Probably China, though, I think. No, I don't know. I really don't know where it's from.
Is it Spain? Anyways, we're getting churros.
Everyone, hazelnut milk chocolate.
It's milk chocolate.
Thank you. 谢谢.
Wow.
Man, that looks good.
You can try first.
That's good because these are real fresh.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Have a
meet
good
you.
trip. Bye-bye. All right, what do you think?
I think this is awesome, and I'm probably gonna have a stomachache after that. I like the hot churro mixed with the cold ice cream and the Nutella. Nutella's good too.
My stomach is hurting just looking at this. This is so big. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah. I think it was like what?
No.
Was it 35?
I have no
35
idea.
yuan? I think it was 35. That's like $4 or something. Oh no, is it? Oh, it looks like it's like the guy over there's. What'd you do?
We are full, and that concludes our street food tour.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay.
See you next time. Excuse me, ma'am, what are you making? Yeah, she just works so hard. Smiles the whole time.
What's up? What?
It's creepy. It's creepy how real that looks. Like, that looks so real, even up to the teeth. Like, see how this is the wrinkles on his face? That's impressive.